When you have to recommend putting money towards one project, machine, or alternative over another, you need to value each option clearly. I've coached 302 House game teams to over 180 podium finishes. Today, we're covering the most common investment valuation tools: ROI, NPV, and IRR. Plus, how to use sensitivity analysis to make your numbers believable. This is part of the Case Finances and Excel Mastery series. Turn numbers into compelling insights. Let's make your financial analysis strong and judge friendly. Choosing investment needs sound financial metrics. Knowing which ones to use is critical. ROI is the simplest and quickest way to compare profitability. The formula is return minus cost over cost, expressed as a percentage. It tells you how much profit or loss an investment earned relative to its costs. Use ROI when you need a fast, easy comparison across alternatives. It works well for both annual and cumulative views, but doesn't account for the time value of money. Net present value discounts future cash flows back to today using a discount rate, the cost of raising the money. Positive NPV adds value, so you do it. Negative NPV destroys value, so you avoid it. Also, there's internal rate of return. It's the discount rate that makes NPV equal to zero. Higher IRR is generally better when you're comparing projects. Important rule: if NPV and IRR give conflicting results, always use NPV. It's the more reliable of the two measures. Never present a single point number. Run a sensitivity analysis. Worst case, base case, best case scenarios. Very key assumptions like growth rate, sales, cost, discount rate, and timing. Present ROI or NPV IRR for each of the scenarios. Use clean charts to highlight the differences. Play with the scale so the impact is obvious. This shows you the judges you've thought about the risk and the realism of your solution. When presenting, use charts instead of dense tables. Highlight only the key metrics and trends. Clearly label everything: titles, dates, assumptions. Show your logic. Why is this investment better than the alternatives? Keep the visuals clean. No unnecessary grid lines or clutter. The goal is to help the judges instantly understand the relative value of each option. There you have it: ROI, NPV, IRR, and sensitivity analysis, the core tools for turning investment numbers into compelling, credible insights. This is part of the Case Finances and Excel Mastery series. Drop a comment. Which valuation method do you struggle with most? ROI, NPV, or IRR? Subscribe and hit the bell for the rest of the series. Cam Welsh out. Go make your financial recommendations rock solid and judge friendly.